said so!
Bubble gum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
When you buy a cat to get rid of rats in the yard.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go?
I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Stop reading my animal crackers! Get out! I can't get it.
So I'm going to attempt to scare my cat.
Ruth, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm so disappointed because I literally just got to my hotel in Arizona and they have bed bugs.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. Ooh. You look nice. Yes, your doorbell isn't working. Yes.
And if you're gonna call me cute, then you bet. Stop. Shit.
Hi. Hi. It's a little flip.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little...
How'd that get in there?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny. What?
Scarlett! What you doing? What you doing in there?
I got a new kitten, and this is my cat's reaction.
Okay, so we think our cat is deaf, but we're not 100% sure. So I'm gonna bang these pots behind her and see if she turns around and moves it ear. Yep, I think she's...
Ayıp değil mi ya? You dumb bitch!
I know.
Despite his criminal mind, this man is behaving well. His reward is the canoe.
Oh my goodness. Pudding! Oh my god!
I don't like to experience new people. I don't like to give a lot of new people a chance. A lot of new people is crazy.
That's not normal, and I think, you should maybe get some help or something.
You want some water, Dean? You want me to turn on the water? You gonna have a drink, Dean? Have a drink. You, Dean.
I'm just laying here, and you're like, give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets and breakfast.
Venga, Michi, vamos. A ver. Al suelo. Eso. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dame 2 más. 8.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
We were not blessed with a brain cell today. There's a door right there. There's a door. You've gone through it like 5 million times. That's a vent in the wall. That vent's been here since 1965. It's been here your whole 3 years of life.
Meow. Meow.
Akira, that's my sister.
Is it going? I didn't hit pause.
It's going, yeah.
When your cat told you to be home at a certain time.
Oh. What do you want? I'm trying to sleep.
$200,000. Your parents didn't have that kind of money. According to my information, and I could be wrong, your parents did make exceptions to that requirement. Is that a question? No. This is one. Did you ever ask if an exception could be made in the case of Amy's parents?
drop this?
Do you guys want to know what it looks like to have a cat dropped on you? We'll start with Theo. Okay, Floyd, your turn. Let's see what it feels like to be smothered by you. Hey, ready?
It's really ironic because we're... I can't believe you just